The strategies I'm going to share with you in this video are real ways to make money online. Passive income ideas that you can start implementing right away and change your financial situation for so many years to come. Before I say anything, let me make this clear. I'm talking about passive income. I'm not implying that there's a button, a magic button on the internet that you can click on and start making money online without any effort. It's true that I'm here to share with you 5 passive income ideas, and if you implement them, you can be able to be making money while you are sleeping. But before it happens that way, you need to do the work up front. We are talking here about passive income because you will need to do the work just once or for a certain period of time. And once you have it done, you will just sit back and start earning money. So if we all agree that you have to put in the work up front before you start earning passive income online, I think I will go ahead and share with you the passive income idea number 1. Here it is. The first way to start earning passive income online is to create and sell courses. You will agree with me, if you want to create your own courses and start selling them, it requires you to know what you are doing first. In case you didn't know, it takes time, it takes a lot of work to create your own courses. But once you have the work done, once you created your courses, all you'll do is to sit back and start earning passive income from the product that you've created. The website that I use for that is teachable.com, which is free. So you come to this website, you create your account, and you will be able to use this website to create and promote your courses. There are websites that when you use them, they will help you with the marketing. But teachable.com doesn't promote your courses. You will need to market your courses on your own. So along with creating your courses and selling them, you will need to learn marketing, and most importantly, social media marketing and email marketing. Which takes me to passive income idea number 2, Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a program that you can join and start making money from it. This is how it works. When you go to a website, most of the time, you will see that there are advertisements that are displayed on the website, a content that will be clearly different from what the website owner has put on his page. And when you see something like that, what they do is to allow Google to display ads on their websites. And when someone clicks on the ad, they will earn a commission from that. The second way that you can make money with AdSense is on YouTube. You will be familiar with this. When you click on a video on YouTube, before the video starts playing, maybe you will see a short 5-second advertisement at the beginning of the video, or in the middle of the video. They will interrupt your YouTube experience and show you a 5-second advertisement before you watch the rest of your video. Those advertisements are allowed through Google AdSense. The video creator is the one who allows Google to display those ads on his video so he can make money from that. Before you can participate in Google AdSense program, you will need to have a YouTube channel, or you will need to have a website, a blog website, and have enough content on your website. The same way, if you want to use YouTube to make money through Google AdSense, you will need to have enough content on your YouTube channel, have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time on your channel. So here again, you do the work once, you create your videos, or you create your website and you write your blog posts. And then for the years to come, those blog posts or those videos will be generating passive income for you. Passive income idea number 3, affiliate marketing. Remember, with passive income number 1, I told you to create and sell courses. But if you don't have the skill, the abilities, the knowledge, and the money that is required to create your own courses, the best way to go is to become affiliate for products and services. Also, instead of using Google AdSense to display advertisements on your website, you can just be affiliate for products and services and use your website to promote those products and services. If you have the passion to sell physical products, Amazon Associate is the best way to go. It's free to join the program, and all you will do is to write reviews about the product that you want to sell, or you make videos about the product, and in the description of your videos you will leave a link for people to click on and go buy your affiliate products. You can do the same by creating your account on clickbank.com, but here you will not find physical products, but you will be selling digital products. And the same way, you will use your website or your YouTube videos to promote your product. It's free to be an affiliate on ClickBank. If that's what you want, go to clickbank.com and create your account. And before I go to the next step, I found that one of the best ways to build passive income online is to promote software that people will use to run their businesses, like ClickFunnels that you will use to build your opt-in pages and your funnels, or GetResponse and Aweber that you will use for your email marketing needs. There's a free training that you can have access to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, which is called Affiliate Bootcamp Summit. It's free to join the program, and I will leave a link in the description for you to click on and join the program for free. All it does is to teach you how to go from newbie to an expert in affiliate marketing. So the link will be in the description for you to join the Affiliate Bootcamp Summit for free. Passive income idea number 4, blogging. I kind of talked about blogging in the previous steps, but I want to mention it one more time. Blogging is a good way to make passive income on the internet. You create a website and you start posting blogs, and inside your blog post you will leave the affiliate links for the product that you are promoting on the internet. And from there, you will start driving traffic to your product page. You may be telling yourself that you don't know how to write. And let me tell you, you don't need to be an expert to write a blog post. It's just a way to share your point of view about a product. And in case you are not comfortable writing blog posts, you can outsource those, and you can use websites like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com. That way, you don't need to write your blog post yourself. And one more thing, if you don't know how to create a website, how to set up your website, I will leave in the description of this video a link that will take you to a blog post where I share with you step by step how you can create your blog website, making sure that you know where to go to find all the resources that you need to make this happen. Also, if you click on the first link in the description of this video, I will give you access to a platform where you will join a community of 6 to 7 figure earners, and they are ready to help you. They are ready to guide you through the process to create your website and to start writing your blog post. This platform I'm talking about, it's free to get started with the platform, and once you are inside, you will be given the opportunity to create 2 websites with no need to buy a domain name or to pay for hosting. If you want that, click on the first link in the description of this video and I will give you access to this platform I'm talking about. Passive income idea number 5, passive investing. You don't need to be rich before you start investing money. With this method I'm going to share with you, you will be able to invest a few dollars every day. And the website that we are going to use for this is called Acorns. So you will go to acorns.com, and what this website does is to allow you to make small investments. Once you come to this website and you create your account, you will be able to link your debit card to your account. And you can set it up in a way that, let's say when you go to a store and you are using your debit card to buy something, you can set it up inside acorns.com and say something like, if you use your debit card and you spend less than $5, to round it up to $5, and the difference will be invested for you. So if you use your debit card to buy something for $2, you will be spending $5 for that transaction, $2 for what you've bought. and $3 will be invested inside your Acorn account. A good way to start saving and investing money. These are the 5 passive income ideas that I want to share with you today. If you enjoyed the video, go down and like it, share it, and subscribe to let me know that you want more content like this on my channel. Also, remember to comment with the name of your country. That way, I will come up with business opportunities that will work in your country. I really appreciate your time. This is VK. I will see you in the next video.